integration 1 by root 3 sin x plus cos x into dx. Root 3 sin x plus cos x into dx. Again, we have sin and cos in the linear form, so we will apply the formula. Two tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. And this will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Then 1 plus tan square x by 2 will go in the numerator. It will become sec square x by 2. And this will be 2 under root 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. Then we'll take tan x by 2 is t. So it will come out to be sec square x by 2 half dx is dt. Or I should say sec square x by 2 dx will be twice of dt. So this will come out to be twice of dt by, this will be 2 under root 3t plus 1 minus t square. Then we'll take 2 out, dt, minus I'll take out first, common, will come out to be t square minus 2 root 3t minus 1. Then we will write this as minus of 2 dt, sorry, minus will not take out from the integration, we'll keep it here, t square minus 2 root 3t plus 2 root 3 half will be root 3, right? So square will be root 3 square, added and subtracted. Then we write this result as 2 as it is, dt by 4. That means it will be t minus root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. And so this whole square will not come, t minus root 3 whole square minus 4. Or minus is here. Then we'll write 2 dt by 4. 4 means 2 square minus t minus root 3 whole square. Then we will apply the formula. 1 by 2a log of a plus x, that means 2 plus t minus root 3 by 2 minus t plus of root 3 plus c. T will be what? Then x by 2 we replace, you will get your answer. There is another way to integrate this particular type of question. And that also you should remember, because sometimes the question comes in proof. So in that special form, if they ask, we should go by special way. Whenever this form comes. One option I already told you that will convert in 10 to 10x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Another way is divide this by root of a square plus b square and multiply root of a square plus b square. When you do this, it will be coming in a proper form. We will solve it. So I'll take an example, then it will be more clear. For example, if we have the question dx by sin x plus cos x. What is a in this case? 1. B is also 1. So we have under root a square plus b square, divide and multiply. So I'll write here it will be root of 1 square plus 1 square and into 1 square plus 1 square. Now how it will help? Just check. Root 2 goes out, so 1 by root 2. This I'll write dx by 1 by root 2 sin x. So I'll write 1 by root 2 sin of x plus 1 by root 2 cos of x. Then I'll write 1 by root 2. This will be dx by, this is sin x, this we can write as cos, sin x cos pi by 4. And this will be cos x into sin pi by 4. Then we will write this as sin of x plus pi by 4. 1 by root 2 is here. And this you can write as cosec. And what was the integration of cosec x? Can you tell? Integration of cosec x dx. What was the answer?
Log of cosec x minus cot x.
One more answer was there. Please tell that also. One answer was this. What was the second answer? Log n x by 2 plus c. Right? This was also the formula here. So it's better we will use this time this formula. It will be much easier. So we write this as 1 by root 2, because answer can be asked in this form or this form. So you should be ready with the form. So it will come out to be log 10 x by 2 means what? Half of this, so it will come x by 2 plus pi by 8. Modulus is here. Plus. This is the formula we have. This is the answer we have. 1 by root 2 log of 10 x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus. One more question you try now. 1 by sin x minus root 3 cos x. I want the second method, you should try and please solve it. Please solve it or please integrate this. What we should divide this time? Yes. What you should divide?
Sir, under root 1 square minus root 3 square.
Minus क्यों आएगा? Only these numbers you should take.
Minus.
That is root of 1 square plus root 3 square. ये माइनस कंसीडर नहीं होगा. A sin x plus b cos x, तो a और b लिया जाएगा खाली. So it will come out to be root 4. Root 4 means by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and this is also 1 by 2. Then I'll write 1 by 2 here. Dx by, again this will go by sin x cos pi by 4. You can apply the cos formula also, sin formula also. But sin is easier formula, so use that. This will come out to be cos x into sin of, this is not pi by 4, this will be pi by, cos is there, so pi by 3. Cos x into sin pi by 3. Then I get it half dx by sin a cos b minus cos a sin b sin a minus b. Then we will write this as integration of cosec x minus pi by 3 dx. And now we can integrate it. Half, again log 10 x by 2 I am using. So it will be log of 10 x by 2. So it will be x by 2 minus pi by 6 plus. Now coming on next form of question, please write down. If the form comes this way, a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x dx. Numerator also sin cos, denominator also sin cos with single power. Whenever you have this type of case, we start with this question. This way, numerator you write this way, a sin x plus b cos x is equal to a times the derivative of denominator. This adjustment you have to do, otherwise you will not be able to do this. A times derivative of this, that will be what? C cos x minus d sin x plus b times the denominator itself. A sin x plus b cos x we'll write as a times c cos x minus d sin x plus b times c sin x plus d cos x, and then we'll compare this and find out what is a value and what is b value, and after that a and b will place. In place of this total I'll place here. One time it will be derivative by the denominator and the second time needs to get cancelled out. By the question it will be more clear. Write down please. Three sin x plus 2 cos x by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. This is the question we have. So we write this as 3 sin x plus 2 cos x equal to a times derivative of this. What that will come? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus b time denominator. Okay, then comparing sign with sign. So 3 is the multiple of sign here. Here sign will be minus 3a. And here it will come out to be plus of 2b. Same way when you think about cos, it will be 2. What this will come? 2a plus 3b. And now we should solve it. This will multiply with 2, this will multiply with 3 and solve it. These two get cancelled out. Then it will be 4 plus 9. So it will come 13b. This will be 6 plus 6, it is 12. So b comes out to be 12 by 13. If you got b is 12 by 13, a we calculate now. So 2a plus thrice of b. b means 12 by 13 is 2. Or I should say 2a will be 2 minus 12 3s are 36 by 13. Or I should say 2a will be equal to 13 is the LCM. 13 2s are 26 minus 36. So this will come out to be minus 10 by 13. So a comes out to be 2 get cancel out minus 5 by 13. So what I should write this question now, this will be integration a. A will be minus 5 by 13. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus b. B we already got. What was b? 12 by 13. Two sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x into x. Now we will write this as minus 5 by 13. This will come out to be 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x dx. Second will be 12 by 13. And then this and this get cancelled out, so it will be 1 dx. If you take this as t, this is dt here.
सर
हाँ जी,
सर ये वाला स्टेप कैसे लिखा है सेकंड स्टेप?
ये वाला
यस सर.
अभी आपको ये किसके इक्वल लिखवाया था? a टाइम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस प्लस b टाइम द डिनोमिनेटर इटसेल्फ. a की वैल्यू अभी
Yes,
आपने
sir.
निकाली है minus 5 by 13 एंड देन द डेरिवेटिव. फिर प्लस b आ रहा है आपका 12 by 13 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, दैट वाज द डिनोमिनेटर. अब मैंने इन दोनों को सेपरेट कर दिया. सेपरेट किया तो आया पहला -5 by 13 दिस बाय दिस, वो ये रहा. सेकेंड वाले में आएगा 12 by 13 और ये टर्म सेम है, सो इट विल बी 1 ओनली.
ओके सर.
And this we will take as t. So what it will come? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx will be dt. As you got this form, what the result will be? It's clear, very simple now. Minus 5 by 13 ये आपका आ गया dt, नीचे आ गया t, and then plus 12 by 13 into 1 dx. Then I should write minus 5 by 13 log of t, and this will be 12 by 13 and then t plus c. Sorry, this is x, not t. And the value of t can be placed as 2 sin x plus 3 cos x here. You get your answer. One more question right now, please. Integrate 1 by 1 plus 10x dx. 1 by 1 plus 10x dx. Please integrate. Again, convert in sine and cos and then proceed. This will be sine by cos. So when you take LCM, it will come cos x in the numerator, then it is sine x plus cos x. So numerator also sine cos, denominator also sine cos. So whenever this form comes, what I should do? Numerator, that is cos x, is a times derivative of denominator plus b times the denominator. Here, then doing the comparison. When you do the comparison, cos, if you take, it will be 1 this side. This will be a plus b. Then I'll take the sine comparison. ये हो गया 0. इधर sine है ही नहीं. यहाँ आएगा minus a plus b. When you solve it, these two cancel out. 1 is coming twice b, or b is coming 1 by 2. And from this equation, I got a is already equal to b. B is already half, so a is also half. So now we will write the question this way. This is cos x, we can write this way. A value is half. Cos x minus sin x plus half sin x plus cos x whole divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Now we will write this as half cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Second will be half. This and this get cancelled out, so left is dx. Its derivative is this. तो ये dt by t सीधा log लिख रहा हूँ मैं, half log of sin x plus cos x, and this is come out to be 1 by 2x plus. This is the answer here. next form or the last form of these type of question. After that we will be having another way of question, that is integration by parts. That will be the next topic. If you have this form, a sin x plus b cos x plus c divided by d sin x plus e cos x plus f into dx. A sin x plus b cos x plus c by d sin x plus e cos x plus f dx. Now we have to integrate this. Whenever now the previous question they were having only sin cos constant was not there. This time we have constant with us. Then how to do it? Just check. Whenever this constant form comes, we will write the question this way. We will write the result this way. A sin x plus b cos x plus c is equal to a times the derivative of this. D cos x minus e sin x plus b times the derivative of denominator and plus some constant capital C. This time three terms will come. This will be a time derivative of this part plus b time the denominator plus c is the constant. So we have this type of result. Now we should integrate this. So I'll take an example, then it will be more clear. Please note it. Now I'll take the question. This is a lengthy question, but we should know how to do it. Three cos x plus 2 divided by sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 dx. Then we will write this result as 3 cos x plus 2 is a time derivative of this. What the derivative comes? Cos x minus 2 sin x. 3 का हो गया 0 plus b times sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 plus of c. A time derivative of this plus b time this denominator itself plus c. And now we do the comparison. Sin compare with sin, cos compare with cos, constant compare with constant. Cos if you compare it is 3. This is A. This will be plus of 2b. Second one sin. Sin का comparison तो इधर 0 आ गया. ये हुआ minus of 2a plus of b. And third result आ गया 2 equal to thrice of b. क्योंकि इसमें कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं है, यहाँ है thrice of b plus of c. First, I'll take these two equations and try to solve A and B, and then we'll find out C. This will multiply with 2. Cancel out. These two terms get cancelled out. Left is 4 plus 1. This is 5b. Is coming 6. So b comes out to be 6 by 5. If b is known, I can calculate a also. So 2a will be minus of b minus and minus cancel out, so I got it A will be B by 2. B means what? 6 by 5 into 2. It comes 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means what it will be? 3 by 5. And then A and B known, now C can be calculated, B is already known. Three times 6 by 5 plus of C. Then what C comes out to be 2 minus 6 3s are 18 by 5. So it will be 5 here, 10 minus 18, so it is coming minus 8 by 5. So now you got the value of A, B and C. This is B, this is A and C is here, minus 8 by 5. So I place this value and integrate. This I'll write as A time. A time means 3 by 5 times. Cos x minus 2 sin x. Then plus B time. What is B? B is 6 by 5. The denominator, that is sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3. And that plus C, that is minus 8 by 5. Whole divided by sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 into dx. Then I'll write this result as 3 by 5 cos x minus 2 sin x whole divided by sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 dx. Second will come 6 by 5. This and this cancel out, so it will be 1. And the third one is minus 8 by 5. 1 by sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3. This is dt by t form. This is already 1, but this will be the previous form we have. What I should do in this case? Yes, can anyone tell?
सर इसे टी लिया है तो अपन टी लिख देंगे ना.
हाँ? फिर बोलो.
सर उसे टी लिया है ना sin x plus 2 cos x plus
In this
3
case,
को.
what I do? In this case, you can't take t because dt is not present in the numerator. This is separate integration. This is separate. This is separate. In this, we'll take t, but not here, not here. This part is okay. Sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3, I'll take t. Then it will come cos x minus 2 sin x. dx will come dt. I get it 3 by 5. This is dt by t. Agree on this. That comes out to be plus 6 by 5. ये 1x है तो ये हो जाएगा x only. और यहाँ आया minus 8 by 5 dx by, इसको आप 10 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो we will write this as 2 10 x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2 2 cos x को आप लिखेंगे 1 minus 10 square x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2 and this is plus 3. So same as the previous question when sin cos came in linear form in the denominator we convert in 10. ये आएगा आपका 3 by 5 log of t. This will be 6 by 5 x And here it comes out to be minus 8 by 5. 1 plus tan square x by 2 will be in the numerator. So sec square x by 2. This will come out to be 2 tan x by 2 plus 2 minus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 3 tan square x by 2. Then I'll write 3 by 5 log. Here we'll put the value of t, that was cos sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 plus 6 by 5x minus 8 by 5. This will come out to be sec square x by 2 dx by, यहाँ क्या आएगा tan square x by 2, then plus 2 tan x by 2 and then plus of 5. Tan x by 2 as t here. I get it, sec square x by 2 half ex come out to be dt. So the result come out to be 3 by 5 log of sin x plus 2 cos x plus 3 plus 6 by 5x minus 8 by 5. This will come out to be twice of dt by t square plus twice of t plus of 5. Six by